Hello guys, my name is Super RP and finally I'm home and that's my sister's house by the way. And ayan, here's my sister. There she is. So we're going to the house now guys. Or it's the studio. There he is. Hello.
Yeah,
How was your retirement vacation type deal?
loving it.
And this time guys, napunta tayo sa restaurant sa bayan. Kakain tayo doon. At yan po ang aking pamangkin na takot sa camera pero nagva-vlog. Hi! And of course, pagkatapos natin kumain sa labas, sa restaurant, kailangan din natin maglaba. Ayan, laba by hand. Oh my God, I miss this but I don't like it. And also, after natin maglaba, oh my gosh, umulan. Oh my goodness, you can see, ASMR na this. And of course, pagkatapos ng malakas na ulan, we have a better day with a nice view. As you can see, enjoy! Thank you for watching. Spread the love and stay beautiful.